A step-by-step guide on how to pay at Esso's pump. Step 1. Open your fuel cap. Step 2. Select preset amount. Step 3. Select any of the amounts or key in your own whole dollar amount. Step 4. Select Pay at Pump. Step 5. Insert your Smiles card or press Next. Step 6. Make payment with your credit or debit card or your Smiles-linked credit card. You are now authorized to pump. Insert the nozzle. Use the clip to secure. Fuel until it auto-stops. And you're done. Now last step is realize how simple and easy payment at Esso's pump is and be on your way.